My name is Advay and today we are going to talk about this car that I made using Lego technique. This is a car. For the past few weeks, I've been experimenting with motors to see how it can power up a car using gears and a battery and a motor and wheels and an axle and pins. That's consistency and some decorations. So now I'll show you the working of it. So I shall remove this a bit, the battery box. I made a structure. Let's put this a bit out so that you can see it clearly. So as you can see, now let's talk about the axle. The axle is connected to the motor and it runs through the white 5x5 strings. That axle is then anchored to a place by this piece which I have connected through here and a small gear at the end which connects with this gear. Only this wheel moves while this does not move. These set of wheels move and do not move. These set of wheels move. This is called a two-wheel drive. Now these two are used for anchoring the motor, as you can see. So now let's see the working. You have to first put them perfectly. And now let's test. It might work or it might not. As you can see, it's working. The motor is powering it up and the front wheels are moving while the back wheels are not moving. Let's try running it. Oh, we'll not run it. Yeah, this is how it works. So, this is how my car works. I just screw this back. So, this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. So, the teeth are for decoration. And stone. So, in the future, I will make more such advanced cars and I'll be experimenting with 4-wheel drive, and all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red button with subscribe button on it. Until the next video, bye.